Hello friends, good evening. So welcome to a new video, and tomorrow is 26th of December and it's going to be a new week. So let's see what is going to happen in Nifty and Bank Nifty in tomorrow's trading section. And before that, let me ask you, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please try to subscribe and press the bell button on. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. If there is any kind of questions that you want to ask me, put it in my comment box. Also try to share it with as many people as you can. So let's see the 15 minutes chart of Nifty. So here what we can see that Nifty is continuously falling from last 21st of December. It is continuously falling in a huge red candles, and it is fallen and taken a very good support over 18,000 level. But it tried to retrace from here. So many people must have entered in a call position seeing that 18,000 level, which is an important resistance or support zone. See, this was a important support zone in Nifty. I'll just draw a rectangle box here so you can understand what I'm trying to tell you. So here Nifty has taken a small support which is at 18,080 level, and this support was acting very strong. And what happened is that most buyers must have entered into a trade in a buying position from this level, expecting Nifty to go back to at least 0.38 level of the fib. If I draw a fib level from here, from this high to this support level, I will be expecting an uptrend until this level, which is 18,200 at least. But what happened is that Nifty has gone into a consolidation level in this particular area. And again, in the next working day, what Nifty has done is it has skipped this particular support area. Nifty has opened in a gap down, skipping this area. And what you can see that once it has gone down, it is not able to enter into this particular zone and leaving a gap in between. After skipping, it tried to go back to this previous day low. It was not able to do that because there is strong resistance here. That this zone became a very strong resistance area, and from there you can again see Nifty is falling. So there are all possible ways that this gap should be filled. Most probably Nifty has to take a retracement. So I'm just going to update my fib level from here to here. So interestingly, what we can find here is that this box at the central point of this box has become the point of retracement. So what I expect in tomorrow's market is that Nifty, since it is continuously falling for the past few days, okay, so almost it has fallen from this area and it has reached here, which is an important support line, and from here it should retrace somewhere around 0.38 or zero point 0.5 level. From here, after retracement, it has to fall down. It may take a small consolidation and it can fall down from this level, and again it can take a very good support on this particular level, which is 17,780 790 level. Okay, so what can happen in Nifty? Maybe it can open in a gap up position, maybe a huge gap up. Say Nifty can open somewhere around here. Okay, hence it will try to fill the gap. It will touch this level, which is 18,150, and again from there it is all possible ways that it can go down. So there are all possible ways that this particular gap, which this square box, can be filled in the coming days. I'm not telling about tomorrow, day after tomorrow, or maybe coming week. It can try to fill this gap. There is a small gap Nifty has left behind. So this gap will be filled, and mostly this gap will be filled with a small retracement, which can happen maybe tomorrow, maybe day after tomorrow. So we have to see how market is reacting in tomorrow's market. So in case Nifty is opening in a gap down, okay, this area, if it is going in a gap down, and this particular area, which is the closing point of yesterday, can be an important resistance zone, and it will come and test this level and it will go back again. You can expect a downfall below this level, below 17,090 level. So I just mark you some of the important lines. So let's see what can happen in a gap up area. If it is in a partial gap up, that is between the areas of previous trading day, if it is opening somewhere here, the first resistance line will be the previous day high, and it will try to fill this gap. Okay, it will definitely try to fill this gap. So according to the selling pressure, it can or it cannot fill the gap. From here it can go back downside, and again it will test the level of previous low, and again it will go upside, and if this line is broken, it will go for a retracement to the same level, and again you can expect a downfall in Nifty. So this is a possible one of the scenario where Nifty can trade in tomorrow's market. Okay, so I will just mention some of the important resistance and support zone. Okay, so in order to save time, I just skip through the video. I just mark some of the important levels with the IO chart. Nifty has a very strong resistance at 18,000 level. We have almost 1,87,000 contract as per the closing in last week. And also from there above, we can see high contract building up. Shorts are building, sellers are building up here. So that means Nifty from this level, it cannot go up as per this particular data. And also if you see the support side, the next support level I can already, it is staying on a very good support level, which is 83,000. So there are possibilities that support can build up in this early area in tomorrow's market. So most probably Nifty can open in a gap up in this particular area, which is 18,000 level. Okay, so this is the reason I'm telling you here. In case if it is going for a gap up above this area, it will definitely come and fill this level, and again it will go back. So in order to make sure you find the exact level, draw a fib line from last swing high to low, and again you can see this particular level, which is 0.382 level as the center of gravity here. See, okay, so mention this fib level in your chart for tomorrow's trading, and it will give you good reference line levels. So also I just marked 18,018 level, and this zone is going to be an important resistance zone. And if Nifty is respecting this particular zone, it can, all possible ways it can go down, and it will again react at these particular lines that I have mentioned in the charts. From here it can react. If it is only broken, it will go back again downside. Also make note that if this gap is filled and Nifty is taking rejection from this level and coming back, there are possibilities that market can consolidate in this particular area which is 17,800 to 17,900 level. So in case market is opening in somewhere inside the previous trading zone, you have to make sure these particular lines are met as a support and resistance. You can trade as per the price action which is happening in this particular levels. Okay, so this is what I have to say in Nifty in tomorrow's market, and this is supposed to be a very huge resistance zone, and this is going to be a huge support area which is 17,780. And the reason why I'm saying is that I will just go into the long time frame. Okay, so here 17,780 level, which has acted as an important resistance here. See here, you can see this is a resistance over here. It has taken resistance here. Okay, it has broken this line, but again it came down. It is taking resistance and support in various levels of previous history. See, price has reacted at this particular level at various points. See, there was a huge rise in Nifty. It stopped exactly at this particular point. So Nifty on the way up, it has taken as a very important resistance line, and once it is crossed, it has taken as a very important support. On the way back, it is also going to respect this level as an important support level. So if this level is broken and if you see Nifty is coming down, you can go for a put option, but not until a proper retracement. You have to wait for a proper retracement for Nifty to come down, and then you enter a position. So I'm just making sure that you understand the price action formula, and according to price action you just have to go for a put or call option. Each time there is a line broken, you have to wait for a proper retracement to enter into a trade. Otherwise your stop loss will be huge and you will end up in huge loss rather than profit. So what you have to do is look for the price action, then only you enter a trade. So these are the important levels you have to mark: 18,080 level, 18,020, 17,950, 17,880, 17,820, and 17,880. If you do not understand, please repeat the video and see what is going to happen. You do your own analysis, and if you find this video credible, give me a thumbs up. Okay, so let's go and see what is going to happen in Bank Nifty. The Bank Nifty compared to Nifty, we have very less momentum. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to avoid Bank Nifty in the coming days trade, because Bank Nifty can be risky and it is very difficult to enter into a trade in Bank Nifty. So what I have to say in Bank Nifty, it has, you just mark previous days high and this level where Bank Nifty has closed in the previous market. So from this level, if you find that Bank Nifty is going down, it is giving you information that can reach up till 41,500. It can react from there. It can try to consolidate in that area. And if you find Bank Nifty is breaking this level, if there is a proper retracement, you can go for a put option, which is also a scalping trading. I do not expect a big momentum in Bank Nifty in the coming days. So be careful when you enter into a trade in Bank Nifty. So one more thing that you have to keep in mind when you do trading in this particular week is that this is the last week of this month. Also, this is the last month of this year. Also, there is a holiday coming up, which is Christmas and New Year. So most of the people who do trading have left their positions and they will be enjoying their holidays. So there will be less activity in market in the coming days, especially this week. So this is one of the factor you have to make sure. Also, there is a big crisis in of corona, and also last week there was a negative feedback from Fed meeting saying that the interest rates are hiking, and unless and until this interest rate hiking is leveled or stopped, we will not be able to find a very huge momentum upwards in Nifty. Okay, so this right now what has happening is this is a panic selling. Also, there's a profit booking for all people who wanted to go for a vacation, and there will be very less people in market to trade in this difficult situation. So market is highly risky in the coming weeks. So if you are a trader, I better suggest to avoid this week, go for a vacation, enjoy your holidays. And if you're trading, you have to enter into a trade unless and until you have a high probability of success. Do not enter into a trade because market can trap you in all sort of ways in the coming days. So all the best for you guys. Hoping all make good profit in tomorrow's trading section, and see you in next video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please try to subscribe and press the bell button on. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. If there is any kind of questions that you want to ask me, put it in my comment box. Also try to share it with as many people as you can. And one more thing I need to mention is that if you have not subscribed to my Telegram channel, and here I update every possible tips during live market. So if you have not registered, just go to the description on this video. You can find the link for this Telegram channel. Okay, so bye. Have a nice day.